Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is Thursday, I've got maybe 10th. Anyway, out for a ride. I don't usually come this way into Austin because of the traffic, but it's 11:22. There shouldn't be a whole lot of traffic. Look at there. Isn't that lovely? But anyway, I don't know, I'm heading south, kind of towards Wimberly, maybe Driftwood, to get some barbecue at the old original Salt Lake. I might give that a shot. Anyway, I don't usually come this area just because I like to go on the highways out in the country versus the traffic. Not a whole lot of traffic now, but it's just the fact that people don't look out for you. The more traffic you get, the less people look out for you. So I don't usually come this way. Anyway, bye. Well, I'm in Wimberly. Look at that view. Up top of a hill. Well, come on, find neutral. There we go. Anyway, that's pretty. I'm trying to find the Blanco River so I can. There's a place I need to go over that Spoke Hollow and go that way. So I need to go back out. Anyway, that's really pretty. Beautiful day. A little warm, but beautiful day. Well, this is kind of a pretty road. I was looking for this road, and I was up in that neighborhood and couldn't find it. I had to come down the highway a little more. But this is Spoke Hollow Road, and I think it goes along the Blanco River up here. So I want to kind of not open range, but I ran across several cattle guards. I'm in the Wimberly area. Oh gosh, here's some more cattle guards. I don't know if you guys have ever seen any of these, but look how big those things are. Cattle won't walk across those because they get their foot stuck in there, but you got to go really slow on a bike. Two wheels, I bet it'd be kind of scary. Anyway, kind of a cool road though. I'm hoping I get down to the river. This might be part like a creek that goes into the river. Should be getting close. Should be on the left. Yep, there it is down there. Crap, there's always houses on it. I wanted to get by the river and get the drone out. I think it crosses up here. Ooh, nice houses on this river though. It floods though. I don't know if it gets up this high, but I know that sucker floods. Flash floods. Ooh, look at that cool house. Look at all the glass. Very cool. That's not nice. It's on the river though. Oh, here we go. This crosses. Whoa, very cool though. Rough. I'll find a place to pull over. Get the drone out. That's really pretty. Man, no place to pull over. this side of the road. Oh, you see these stupid dump trucks everywhere on these small roads. Anyway, bah. And this road is like a bike path. It goes along the river. Man, I tell you what, this is a beautiful place to live, though. People are right on the Blanco River. Hopefully it never gets up this high. Nice. I guess some of these old homes are really cool looking. Little cabins. Whoop, this ends. The road ends. Yep, I guess I'm gonna have to put it in reverse and back out of here. Hey, I didn't know I could back uphill. It almost looks like a parking place here. Kind of cool. I don't know who owns it. I'm still on.